Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another custom drawing, this time for Cody. This is his first ever order and he wanted something with Janemba and Goku Black on an A4 size paper, and I have the perfect idea for that commission. Before we start, make sure to watch the full video guys, like the video to show me your support and subscribe to the channel, that means a lot. So today I will draw Janemba vs Goku Black in a very dynamic action pose, both about to clash with their weapons. We all know that Goku Black is miles stronger than Janemba, and to show that I will draw Janemba very serious and furious, and Goku Black I will draw kinda arrogant and with a nasty smirk. That way we can see that Goku Black knows that he is stronger and he doesn't take this fight too serious. Now let me create the sketch and then we will talk again. Alright guys, the sketch is done and I think this is a really cool fight scene. Both in a very dynamic pose, about to clash with their weapons as I said, and I also surrounded both with big lightning and aura to make this fight even more intense. Now I am doing the inking. I will give this drawing the third layer of ink as well, the big black shades, to make the drawing even more badass. So let's check this out together and then we will talk again. Perfect, I really like this, looking really good. The black shades fits the drawing very well and also boosts the evilness of both. Now I am coloring this amazing commission with Ohuhu and Atex markers, and these are the color tones I'm using for Goku Black in case you want to redraw this yourself. And to redraw my drawings very easy, check out my real-time channel because over there you can follow my drawings step by step. I am uploading the real-time and uncut versions of these drawings over there, so make sure to subscribe. Now we will color both characters and then we are ready for the background. Perfect, Goku Black and Janemba are looking great. I love the colors, and now we will surround both with big lightning and aura. I'm using different colors for Goku Black's aura and for Janemba's, mainly to separate them, and I'm choosing very vibrant colors. Now let's make the last step happen to finish this commission. So guys, last touch and then Goku Black versus Janemba is done, and I think this custom drawing for Cody turned out amazing. A very unusual fight, something we don't get to see often, and this is a nice what if scenario. Cody is very happy with his first ever order and I really appreciate the support. The next commission will be another very different one, a kind of funny drawing, also for a new client, so stay tuned for that, guys. If you are also interested in custom drawings, message me on Instagram or email, the commission contact info is down below, and check out my online shop for original drawings and prints. Subscribe to my real-time channel, and that's it for today, guys. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next